Thank you kindly. I see you looking good, man.
Good coffee on you.
What the fuck? He's on a phone call. Hi.
Hi.
Hiding your phone from me there, huh?
Yes.
You're on a phone call.
Maybe you're a policeman.
I am not a
camera.
policeman, but I'm worse than that for you, or just the same.
Okay.
I think you need to put down your phone call there, mister. I can see him saying goodbye.
Yeah. No, I nearly threw coffee on you, so you need to be careful. I saw you.
That's called, isn't that called littering?
That's
I like coffee. But yes, you can't be on your phone, my friend. I can't believe such a new vehicle does not have a Bluetooth system.
Yeah, they're easier, but it's better like that.
Not for you though, because now you're going to get 6 points.
Yeah.
Oh dear.
Oh dear.
I'm alright, thanks. How are you?
Yeah, good.
Be lucky, mate.
Yeah, as things.
I'm good. How about you? Business good?
What do you do as a profession, if you don't mind me asking?
Did you see the viral video with the Royals and Blues soldier stepping next to a young man with me? If you Google up guard steps next to boy. About a month ago.
Oh, is it?
So
okay.
I work for his family. He's got Downs. He's from Pakistan.
Okay.
So
Okay.
I'm about to go to his birthday. Is he on the
today?
deck? Yeah.
Oh, you got something for him, yeah? Well, be safe.
Got cake for him. You too, man.
It's
I wish
a
you to
bit
be
harsh.
lucky.
I'll be honest, it's a bit harsh what you do, but...
I don't think it is. I think it's fair. After you. I'll follow you.
Yeah, come.
Someone will get angry. They think they're losing something, right? Unlike you. Unlike a professional driver like you, they're not capable of planning ahead.
No, they need to plan ahead. You always need to be one step ahead of things, you see.
You know exactly, yeah. I don't hate cab drivers, even if I've caught a couple of you. I hate the behaviour.
I'm sure you don't hate no one.
I don't hate anyone, exactly.
You know what I mean? Obviously you're a people's person, but you know.
I totally, I understand why you think it's harsh.
Life experience that you've had a knock and where it's taken you to where you are today.
Not so much. Mostly it's just because it's what's right to do, you know? Yeah. Anyway, I'll leave you to it.
I'll catch up with you soon.
Have a good, be lucky. I wish you lots of business. Tomorrow will be good for you, maybe. With the rain.
Oh yeah.
See you, man.